lesson will begin in the classroom where the children will be given the materials to create a model of the system. At that point, there is no wrong or right. Then they come in here and they're going to play an interactive game to figure out where the parts fit and also the functions of the parts to determine if they were right in activity 1. So the game will, if the part is not right, if the part is not correct, it will not skip. Okay? Then students will make use of the split screen feature and easy to draw and label the digestive system. So they'll be put into 2 groups, and one student will draw the first part, the next student, and they will continue until they've completed the system. And then they'll be given an opportunity to share their knowledge of the concept through videos, recorded videos, which you can share with the parents. Thank you.
Them speaking.
Yes, thank you. I take a bow.
Wait. I don't know where to get back there.
Team members now come behind me.
I love that started with the creation. Okay? But shouldn't the creating be a result of everything that happens in here? So do you want them to create, get it? So whatever group gets it right, do they still need to be in here?
Well, to reinforce, to do more practice.
For more practice. But they want it right. So you're going to first with the time.
True.
So what I would have done is actually have them start with creating the model. Okay, so you're going to decide what you need to know in order to create the model. You're going to talk about what you know about the digestive system already and what you need to know. Okay, so you just scale up and whatever you want. And then they come in here and they learn what they need to know. They reinforce what they already know. Okay, and then they draw the model and then they create the modeling again. I love what you guys have. It's just that part. To me, they still have to go back to the creating again. That's the product you want them to deliver.
Okay.
Yeah?